Alright, this is gonna be the elevator at the Moore Hotel in downtown Seattle. Look what we have. Haughton L Series. My very first, indeed, original Haughton. Unless the one in Tampa was Haughton, but it was installed in the 80s, so probably Schindler Haughton, but I think this is my first purebred Haughton. Wow. Interesting lantern. Very plain cab. But look at these fixtures. Let's go to basement. Basement's locked. 7. Wow. This is awesome. Haughtons are so rare. Wow. This is incredible. Here we are on 7. Very tiny elevator doors. Here's your call station. All right, we're gonna go to B or 1, I guess. Let's get a view of these amazing fixtures. Wow. Non-ADA compliant phone. But who cares? Look at this beauty. Cab's basic, but again, who cares? It's an original Haughton. They're getting nearly extinct. It deserves to stay. Seven. Wow. Installed probably in the 60s or 70s. It obviously replaced an older elevator because this is a historic building. I don't think the indicator's original, but the buttons certainly are. Wow, this thing's amazing. All right, 1. Again, I love these buttons. They're Haughton L Series fixtures. Genesee Elevators, what do you think of this? Jim Lee Elevators, what do you think of this? Along with Alpel, JL, and Patrick Richmond. This is awesome. One more ride. Good old classic leveling. All right, 7. This time I'm just gonna look at the buttons and we'll watch the button go out. Because these buttons are getting rare, I want to get a good view of them. And that's your interlock. And again, your lantern, which doesn't appear to work. 1. Wow. On 1. Button already went out. If I can try to get another ride, I will. Wow. Whoa, that was a jolt. watch the button go out. That's a hallway. Alright, I'm gonna go to 6 first so we can see an intermediate call station. I love those buttons. All right, let's go to 1. Let's watch 1 go out. And here we are.
The 2 doors on the right, here in that hall.
Hello. Anyways, there it goes. And that's going to be it.